Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use and access the Canva Dream Lab. You can find the Canva Dream Lab by opening Canva and going to the left side of the screen here. As you can see, I already created some images using the Canva Dream Lab. For these images, I used the prompt pastel colored flower arrangement laid on wooden table. What I didn't like about these was they were too bright for what I imagined. So I added low lighting, and I liked these images much better. The way to use any AI tool is to be very specific, and don't ask the AI to please create this for you, but just describe what you want to see. So for example, I'm going to say landscape with mountains and storm clouds. If I want a very specific style for my image that I'm creating, I can just choose one from these options. Let's use the cinematic one. And as you can see, these are way more dramatic than the ones before. Alright, this is how you can use and access the Canva Dream Lab. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to try out all premium Canva Pro features, you can claim your 30-day Canva Pro free trial by clicking the link in the description below. We also have a free Canva crash course ebook and a Canva monetization checklist that you can download for free as well. Last but not least, check out our YouTube channels for hundreds of other Canva video tutorials.